Sound of vowel I. See the words in the balloon and write them under the correct sound. Did, rid. Big, nig. Dim, him. Kin, pin. Zip, pip. Fit, lit.
If you enjoyed the video, please like and share it with your friends. Do not forget to click the bell icon to subscribe for more such fun learning videos.